How to create a free mobile app for business using Jotform. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a free mobile app using Jotform for your business, for your online platform. So let's get into this. So here you can see that Jotform is a platform that allows you to create a lot of things, lets you create forms of different types, but it also has a mobile app integration where you can create a free mobile app using very simple automations where and no coding is required and nothing technical is required. If you're a beginner, you just have to design your mobile app and you're good to go. So we are on Jotform right now. As you can see, this is the main dashboard for me. What you will access is basically their main page, and from there you have to sign in or log in according to your own specifications. Just give them your email and generate a password for yourself and you're good to go. You can simply log in with that. When you log in, this will be your dashboard. It will look something like this. Okay, so here you can see that this is basically to create forms. That's why it has given me an option to create form right here. But what you need to do is you have to move up here and you can see my forms and you can see the templates. You have different kind of templates that you're going to use to create different forms, and you have integration. Then you have products. In your products, you can see an option right here which says Jotform apps. You need to click on that and it will take you to the place where you can create your own app using Jotform. So I'm just going to wait until it loads. Okay, so here you can see that create apps with no code app builder. Make an app without any coding. Jotform's free no code app builder lets you add forms, widgets, products, and your branding to one fully customized app that it can be downloaded onto any smartphone, tablet, or computer. So this is what I was talking about here. You can create your own mobile app and it is very simple. Like try it yourself, drag and drop forms and elements to your app, customize your app, share your app via link, email, or QR code, and access from any device anytime. So you can discover some of the templates that you can use to create your app. Like they are pre-built designs that you can use for your app, and you can basically go on and add your products instead of the products that have already been given. So here you can see that these are all the apps that I have. So this is a booking app, this is a scheduling app, mobile inspection app, and here you can see that event registration app, school parenting app, patient management app. Okay, so there are different kinds of apps right here. So depending upon the type of app that you want to create and depending upon your business, you can see that you can get any type of app right here. Daily office cleaning checklist, musician Instagram, biolink app. Like there are a lot of things that you can create. So for example, I have a hotel that I want to create an app for. So here you can see that this is a booking app that I can have. So this is a reservation app. A booking app is used for scheduling apartments of any kind. So it is also for Casa Ila. Right now, this is the name of the hotel, I guess. So let's say I have a restaurant and I want to have an app for that, and obviously it should require booking and etc., because that's what restaurants are for. So let's preview the app for a second and see that if it's gonna work for us or not. So here you can see that try this app. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll down a little bit. You can use this app as well, and you can see that this is a mobile version that I'm seeing right now. So you can see the mobile inspection. Try this app. Okay, so I'm just going to click on you can see that try this app they have added right here, and I'm going to okay. Now you have different options right here. So booking inquiry form, here you can see they have already added my initials, and now what I can do is basically number of adults that are going to dine in, arrival date, etc., and departure date, and I can basically just go on and click on save and submit the form after adding in all the details, and I can simply book myself right here. So I can just go back, and this is the main menu, and you can see this is the main page of the app. So it looks decent to me and I think I'm going to use it. So what you can do is you can just click on this option which says use this template, and I'm gonna just needs to wait until it loads. Okay, so here you can see that this is the app that right now that I've just got, and I want to basically edit it according to my own restaurant. So it is not a compulsory thing that you go on with creating an app based upon the apps that are available using a template. You can just create an app like entirely by yourself. You can add different elements, you can add different things, you can add the backgrounds and everything depending upon your own needs. But what it's going to do is basically it's going to make the things a little bit difficult for you, because you have to do all the designing by yourself, you have to choose different things and etc. So that's why choosing a theme is easier Okay, so now if you want to add elements here, you can see that this is the option. You can add a form, you can add a signed document, you can add a heading, paragraph, link document. Like these are all the things that you can add to your app right now. You can also add an image gallery, image slider, video, map, and dead table, report, etc. So these are all the things that you can add to your elements that you can add to your app. So you can also add different type of widgets. You can add fit text, you can add data grid, PDF embedder, you can animated heading, WhatsApp button, Vimeo, Kino map, and like there are a lot of things that you can add. So let's go on to the basic and let me show you how you can add. Now, I want to add an image slider right here because I think that it is necessary, and because it looks a little bit dull right now because it's just takes you to booking. So I'm just going to click on add a page, and I'm going to add a new page to my app, and I'm going to name it the menu, for example. Wait a second. Okay, add an element. Okay, so I have added a new page, and I'm going to add a heading first of all. Okay, so I have added the heading, so I'm just going to rename it to menu right here. Let's say this is where I'm going to display the menu of my restaurant, and you can also add a subheading if you want to, but I'm not going to do that right now. Then you can add a little paragraph right here for about what is your menu and what are your specialties, or where is your chef from, or something like that, because these are the things people are interested if they see the menu, and they basically make your whole thing more appetizing, and people would like to come in and have dine in your restaurant. So it's important that you tell them that you have a like really good menu and everything. So I'm just going to wait. Okay, so here you can see click to edit this text. I'm just going to you can add different types of things that in your menu, blah 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 and everything. So this is basically your paragraph right here. After you're done, you can click on different kind of images. Okay, so after that, what you can do is you can just click on this option right here which says image, and you can drag and drop it right there. You can add a basically image slider that will look really cool, because image sliders basically slides all of your images. Like if you have any image, for example, if I put it right here, so you can upload any image right here, and it is going to show itself like this image right here. So it is going to show, and it will look really good. So after you're done with everything, and after you can basically see that your app looks good, after you have added all the elements right here, what you can do is you can either click on this option which says preview app, and you can see how your app looks, and if the everything is completed or not, or if you want to add any other detail, if you want to remove anything, and you can basically go on and see how your app is going to look for your customers. So you can see that right here that this is the main app I have right now. Create your okay, so Casa, Ela, and home. I have events, and I have a menu page which is still named page 3, but you can obviously change it. I haven't, so that's why it's look like that. Okay, so it looks okay to me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go back after previewing my app, and you can then click on the button which says publish, and you can just simply go on and publish your app. It is very simple, as you can see, that to create an app with Jotform, because everything is just there, and what you can do is basically you just have to design your app. You just have to drag and drop things, and you can have to see if they look good or not. So it is very simple, and it is also very classy, and it doesn't even require anything. Like even if you're a beginner, if you have a small business and you want to have an app for yourself, and you think that okay, having someone to create an app is going to cost a lot of money, so you can just come here and this is your solution. You can just build an app easily by yourself. So click on this option which says publish, and your app will be published. It will be available on Play Stores, and you can just go on and copy this link, and you can send it to people that want to, like your friends or family, and you can send them this link to download your app, and they're going to find it on App Store, and they can just simply download this app from there. So it is very easy, and you can also download QR code. You can also download QR code for app. You can also send and publish market your app with that. So you can see some settings right here about your app settings, like app status is enabled, continue forms later, add to home screen, model and progress bar, etc. App name and icon, splash screen, like you can add your app name right here. Booking app, what you can name it to Casa Ela, obviously, because booking app doesn't look good. And you can basically edit the icon as well. You can add any other icon for your app that you want. You can basically insert an image, or you can choose from the different emojis or icons that are available. So you can basically continue, and after that you can publish. So this is how you can create a very simple and very interactive app using just your skills, using just your designing skills with Jotform. I hope I was a big help to you. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy.